everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to test the charging of the MI11X device. Will it stop charging after 100% or not? As you can see friends, right now I did reach the battery percentage of 100% at the moment, as you can see clearly. So let's see friends what happens to the phone if you try to charge even after 100%, or if you leave the phone continuously throughout the night. So in case if you forget to switch off, then this video will be very much helpful for you friends, whether it will be stops charging or not. So we'll get to know in this complete video. And just in case if you're watching first time the channel, make sure to subscribe and also check the playlist for the MI11X device, where you can find all the videos which are uploaded in this smartphone. So let's begin the test friends. Right now the phone is 100% charged, you can clearly see here. And let me try to charge the phone, and let's see what will happen after a couple of seconds, whether it will try to stop or not. That is what I'm looking after. So right now I'm trying to charge the phone. Let's see whether I'll get any kind of indication or not. So right now let me try to turn on the charger. As you can see friends, right now it's showing the message of 100% charge as well during this time of charging. You can clearly see. So let's see what will happen after a couple of seconds. Will it stop charging or not? So that is what my main point of doing this kind of video. So meanwhile I'll try to keep on charging the phone continuously, so until I get some kind of message or until it stops charging. So right now still the icon is in the green icon. You can see on the top notification panel, you can clearly see, and you can see the charging symbol as well. And let's see friends what will happen after a couple of minutes of charging the phone even after 100% of charge. So that is what I'm trying to do right now. So in case if you're interested in this kind of unique kind of comparisons and unique kind of test which I'll be doing on the Android smartphones, so make sure to follow me regularly, because every time I get a new mobile phone, definitely I'll do this kind of in-depth review and in-depth comparison with the other smartphones as well. So that will be very helpful for you all in case if you're planning to buy this kind of mobile phones. So right now it's still charging. As you can see, it's been I think close to 30 seconds of continuously charging, and still it's showing the charging symbol as you can see here on the top. Still I did not get any kind of message that charging is full and charging is stopping, something like that. Still I can see these kind of animations going here. So let's see friends what will happen. I'm just waiting for this kind of icon to disappear on the top, so or any kind of message which will be popping up. So that is what I'm waiting right now. So I don't want to pause this video and show you later. So if it is live on the screen, then that will be a really use case scenario in the everyday life. So what happens exactly to the phone after 100% charge? So still I'm getting that kind of message only friends, as you can see on the top. So maybe I'm trying to consume more power and more input. So same, it's kind of ratio is kind of same. So let me need to lock the screen and see whether I'll get some kind of message or not, any kind of notification, or whether the screen will turn on or not. So that is what I'm looking after. So once the phone has been reached to 100%, so let's see friends. And on the notification, maybe on the lock screen, we will be able to see the difference. So here is a lock screen friends, as you can see here. So let's see what will happen in the lock screen. So on the lock screen, it's not showing any kind of message at all. So it's showing only about 47 hours remaining. As you can see clearly, it's not showing any kind of charging indication as well. So let me try to disconnect and connect again at the moment straight. So it's seeing the message MI Turbo Charge right now. So let's see what the message we'll be getting right now. I think there is no message at all, but still the icon will be there on the top of the notification near this icon, as you can see here friends. So I'm wondering, only this kind of connection, there should not be this kind of animation and the green here. So it says it's charging, but I cannot see any kind of indication on the lock screen. There is no charging indication at all. So what we'll do is that I'll try to keep the phone side for maybe for 5 minutes. So right now the time is about 2:31. So I'm gonna be back after 5 minutes of keeping the phone side. So let's see whether still we are able to see this kind of icon on the top or not. So that is what I'm mostly concerned right now. So right now you can see here friends, it's been again close to 5 minutes of continuously leaving the phone side, but still the charging icon did not go away on the top of notification panel. So I thought of opening one of the application which says exactly what's happening with the charging meter. So this will be showing you friends, this is the graph which shows you the phone charging rate, what happens. So right now it's trying to calculate, as you can see. So let me disconnect the charger and show you what will be the results. So whenever the battery is draining, that graph will be in the red color. Whenever the phone is charging, it will be in the blue color. So as you can see right now in the blue color, so this is how it will be displaying here. So even after 100% of charging, but still I think some milliamperes still the phone is getting utilized, as you can see, friends. So this is what the graph is showing right now, as you can see. And the status shows the charging. So in this application, which is clearly mentioned. So if the battery is discharging right now, then definitely it should be in the red color, but right now it's a blue color. So that means the phone is detecting the charging as well from the cable, even after 100% of charging. So that's it. This is a quick review on this few things which you need to be aware of the phone. So you don't need to leave the phone completely charging overnight. So definitely you need to keep an eye on that one as well. So make sure to turn off the phone. So don't try to keep the phone charged for continuously long hours. So this will definitely impact the battery for the long time usability. So that is what the conclusion of this video is. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.